What's up, everyone? Did you know you can turn any document, topic, or even a YouTube video into a full PowerPoint presentation using Gemini for free? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. It's a step-by-step guide. So, without further ado, let's get into it. First, go to gemini.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Now, we've got a few options here depending on what you are working with. You can type a topic directly, upload a PDF file, or a Word document. Or you can use a Google document like I'm going to do right now. I already got a document called World War II, How a Global Conflict Changed the World. It's broken down into sections like causes, major events, key turning points, and the aftermath. To attach it, click the plus icon in the prompt box. Then, select Google Drive. Then find and select the document. Click Insert and it will attach right into the chat. Now, after that, just type in something like, turn this document into a PowerPoint presentation, and then hit Send. Gemini works through this in stages. First, generating an outline, then producing the slide content with headings and bullet points for each slide, based directly on the sections in my World War II document. So you'll see it automatically create slides for the causes, the major events, the turning points, and the aftermath, matching the structure of the original document. After that, take a moment to read through what it generated. If something's off, or a slide feels too packed, just tell Gemini directly. Say something like, make the causes slide more concise. After that, once you're happy with it, ask Gemini to convert the content into a PowerPoint file. It will process this and give you a download link. The downloaded file opens directly in PowerPoint, with all your text already organized across slides following your outline. And that's it. That's how you go from a simple Google document to a full presentation in just a few minutes using Gemini. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.